So Janita, it was the first time that me and you met in person last year at Accountex. What was your experience of it?
My experience was absolutely brilliant. I mean, I loved meeting all the visitors that came to our stand. I loved interacting with some of the other exhibitors, and I learned so much from the speakers there. But my most favorite bit about the whole show was, I think, explaining to the clients how DOT can be of support to them and help them grow their business. In fact, I also had a few people come to the stand and say, like, wow, I didn't even know I needed this, which was just brilliant. Loved it.
Yeah, I loved it. It was good. It was a good show, and it was the first time for me
in the accounting
industry being an exhibition, and especially to that sort of size there. I mean, it was great. We met plenty of people.
We did.
Made a lot of good relationships.
Speaking about relationships, some of those relationships we built on over the last year, and some of those clients are here.
Yeah, quite right. So the relationships that we built with the clients almost a year ago. So they are now visiting their team members in Mumbai. So slightly warmer climates that they find themselves in rather than London. But yeah, it's massively important that they come out to Mumbai and meet the teams themselves and get that interaction.
And the team members loved it too. I mean, meeting the managers that they work with.
Yeah.
I think they had a good time.
Yeah, it just adds a human kind of touch to it rather than the kind of remote, constantly talking to one another on Teams calls or Zoom, etc. So yeah, it was good. So since last Accountex, coming up to a year ago now, we've made some developments on the tech side.
We have
too. So on DocChris, the clients using DocChris will now see the reporting feature.
Right.
So they can dig in, look at the work that they've provided to us over the last 12 months and report on that fully, so they can see exactly how well their service, our service provided to them, is working. So Janita, what have the visitors of this year's Accountex got in store from Doc?
So we do have a few surprises up our sleeves that the visitors can get their hands on.
Okay.
And we will definitely reward them for their fun side.
I like to hear it.
Yeah. So Gavin, what are you looking forward to this year at Accountex?
I think I'm most looking forward to seeing those people from last year and how the service we offer them has grown. So the size of their team and their pod team, seeing the sort of growth there and discussing that with them. But I think also just meeting new people, getting a bit of an understanding of how the firms have changed in the last year.
Right.
But yeah, just generally networking and meeting new contacts.
I'm personally looking forward to finding out what's new in the industry. There's so many changes constantly happening, so I'm looking forward to that. And also having some fun.
Yeah, why not?
So come visit us at Accountex London on the 10th and the 11th of May.
You can see us on stand 921 and we look forward to seeing you there.
See you soon.